Good girl. I need you, but you need me. Take it out. Okay, now it's time for our interview. Alright. Here we go. Okay, hi. My name is Kate. My name is Becky. And I just wanted to tell you, all my girls back in South Carolina, I did letter in varsity gymnastics. That's right, be jealous. And to all my homegirls back in South Carolina, whoa. Guys, you're right. I am a model now, and I know you guys might hate me, but it's for my future. I know. Okay, so now it is her turn. Go ahead, girl. You tell me so. Hurry up. Keep watching. Just keep watching. My name is Becky, and I have just keep talking. I've qualified myself to work at KFC, and she got Best Asian Actress Award. She's so good.
Oh man, how you stop it? Oh.